and when asset is acquired, we make some entries. When we then we got depreciation, then sometimes we sell or dispose of the asset, and sometimes asset is impaired. If we think a asset cost of an asset cannot be recovered through future use or sale, then we have to write it down to its net realizable value. अगर हमें लगता है कि फ्यूचर में एसेट हमारे काम का नहीं है या उसकी वैल्यू कुछ कम करनी है, तो वी विल राइट इट डाउन टू नेट रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू. Now comes the disposal of plant and equipment. Disposal means we dispose of, we sell some asset. When we sell some asset, we will receive the cash. It means cash would be debit. Receiving cash debit, and if cash is paid, it means credit. और अगर उस डिस्पोजल पे, उस सेल पे हमें कुछ फायदा हुआ है, कोई गेन हुआ है, तो वी विल रिकॉर्ड अगेन बाय क्रेडिट. अगर लॉस हुआ है तो हम डेबिट करेंगे. सिमिलरली accumulated depreciation का we have credit balance. तब asset ही चला जाएगा. When we dispose of the asset, so there will be no need to take the account of accumulated depreciation alive. We also have to remove asset account and also accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account generally have credit balance. So to remove it, we need to debit it. उसको खत्म करने के लिए, फिनिश करने के लिए, रिमूव करने के लिए we will debit accumulated depreciation. और एसेट का जनरली डेबिट बैलेंस होता है, तो एसेट को खत्म करने के लिए we will credit the asset, we will remove the asset. So this would be the journal entries on the disposal: asset credit, accumulated depreciation debit, gain credit, loss debit. If cash is incoming, so debit. If cash is paid, so cash credit. So this is the disposal of asset. If cash that is being received is higher than the book value of an asset, if cash is higher than the book value of an asset, it means if the cash that is being received on disposal that is less than the book value, it means we have a loss, we will debit it. तो यहाँ से पता चलेगा गेन है कि लॉस है. अगर बुक वैल्यू से ज्यादा अमाउंट मिली है तो गेन, अगर बुक वैल्यू से कम अमाउंट में सेल हुआ है तो लॉस होगा. To understand it better, we have a question here. This is the date on 30 September 2003. This company sells a machine. Sells, ये देखिए सेल की है मशीन, जो कि the cost for the machine was 100,000 and the machine is sold for $60,000 cash. It was purchased on January 1st 1998 at a price of $100,000, जो कि अब सेल की है 2003 में $60,000 कैश में. The company is following straight line depreciation method और इसकी जो salvage value, residual value है that is $20,000 and the useful life is 10 years. As we have read in the previous lectures, the formula to calculate depreciation expense for straight line method: cost minus residual value divided by useful life. 100,000 minus 20,000, that is 80,000, divided by 5 करेंगे, divided by 10 करेंगे तो $8,000 expense आ जाएगा per year. Yeah, the question is the amount of deficit recorded on September 30, 2015 deficit up to date is, this is the question and we have to give the answer. Remember, the cost was $100,000, residual value was $20,000 and life is 10 years. So if we solve it, $100,000 minus 20,000 divided by 10, हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा that would be $8,000 per year. Depreciation expense $8,000 per year. But remember the tricky part here, the tricky part here, this is the date is September 30. The date is September 30. It means in 2003 only 9 months have been used. Out of 12 months only 9 months have been used. तो इसका मतलब है we will divide 8000 divided by 12 multiply by 9. तो जब इस तरह से करेंगे तो आंसर would be $6,000. We need to record the depreciation expense for 9 months. 8,000 is for complete 1 year. जब 9 years का calculate करेंगे तो that would be $6,000. The right answer here is 6,000. You can see the working. Cost minus salvage value divided by 10 years. So $8,000 per year annual depreciation. लेकिन क्योंकि September 30 है तो we have to note it for 9 months. 8,000 multiplied by 9 over 12, that is $6,000. This is the answer, $6,000 for 2003 depreciation expense. So what would be the book value after this? What would be the book value on September 30, 2003? Here we have 4 options. Working for calculation of the book value is, you can say, cost is 100,000. Accumulate depreciation 5 years तो हो गया पूरा साल, the complete years 8,000. 8,000 into 5, that would be 40,000. And the 6th year, the 2003, it was purchased on 1st January 1998. To 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, the complete 5 years. And in 2003, that is the 6th year, उसमें 9 months is being used. So 9 months की depreciation has 6,000. So 40,000, 8,000 into 5, 40,000 plus 6,000, that is 46,000. It means when asset is disposed of, when asset is sold out, the accumulated depreciation balance was $46,000. And the cost minus accumulated depreciation is equal to book value. To calculate the book value of any asset, the formula is cost minus accumulated depreciation. The cost 100,000 minus 46,000 जो कि accumulated depreciation है, the book value, the answer would be $54,000. The book value is $54,000. Now remember, in the question, this asset is being sold out, disposed of at a price of $60,000. ये सेल हुआ है $60,000 का, जबकि बुक वैल्यू है $54,000. तो टेल मी, इज देयर अ गेन और अ लॉस? Book value 54,000 and asset is sold for 60,000. It means it shows gain of $6,000. It means we have a gain of $6,000. Book value 54,000, cash received 60,000. It means the profit, the gain is $6,000. So this is the working for disposal of assets, disposal of plant and equipment. Whether we are having a gain or a loss, what's the difference between book value and the price we get on the sale? So we will calculate the gain and the loss. So this is the complete process to solve out the gain and loss on the disposal of asset, gain on or gain and disposal of or loss on the disposal of plant and equipment. Thank you.